Welcome back to the channel. The wind was ripping hard and we were fishing an incoming tide on the Anclote River near Tarpon Springs. So ahead, I'll show you where we fished, how we positioned ourselves with the tide, wind, and the setup we used. There were plenty of speckled trout and redfish ahead. As you'll see, the tide was incoming, so water was coming from the Gulf and up the river, and the wind was blowing hard from the north. So we positioned ourselves to cast with the wind and let the bait float with the current.
I got another little sea trout on it.
So the secret weapon, popping corks, about 3 feet of 20-pound mono leader and a 1/0 offset circle hook. I'll drop the links below so you can copy my setup and no doubt catch more fish than we did.
I got one on, Costa. It's another little trout.
If you don't hate this video, I'd love a like, even if it's for validation. And if you really didn't hate it, subscribe for more mediocre fishing content.
That's slightly bigger. It's another trout. It's a little bit bigger. That is the smallest trout in the world, Costa.
As the tide went slack, we moved to the second location. We fished a deeper channel around 5 to 6 feet and magically just kept catching fish using the same setup and throwing with the wind.
There's a bit of fish, Costa. Might be a sheep's head. It's a redfish. It's a little redfish. There's another one. Yeah, see a little tail mark on his tail. Yeah. Small fish on, Costa. Small fish. Very small. It's a pinfish. The babyest trout.
Hey, I think this is smaller than you caught.
Yeah.
Bigger fish.
Big or just a little bit bigger?
Medium, I think. No. Oh, no, it's still here.
That's a little trout.
Oh, it's bigger than this. Look at him.
See, something's had a bit of a bite on him.